Kasi yun yung lagayan ng shoes. Living room. Yan yung living room. Dining room. 6-seater only. And ito din yung kitchen. Ito yung stairs na paakyat sa taas. Kitchen.
Come up there, you know, you guys do a lot of climbing.
Oh my God, so back then you don't have
Ito yung
Oh my God, can you imagine if you have the new property or what? So there's no like accessible
Kitchen.
to climb to the mountain. You have to walk.
ito yung
You're
family
either on
room.
horses or
So your dad must be fit too.
you're walking.
Your dad must be really fit to do that.
Well, he was.
Ayan.
Picture mo kayong dalawa.
Congratulations for your new condos.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Sit ka na, sit. I'm gonna take your picture with you.
It's okay po ate.
Ano may blends lang ang ano? Habang lang.
Mamaya po.
Oh, it's taking picture.
And this is a bathroom.
It's taking
She takes like
This one is bathroom.
pictures.
I mean, that's not.
And this is the patio.
Last time she did that, we went here nighttime. Now it's better because it's daytime. You
Patio.
can do the exit right there.
I have some flower already here. Yes, so we can put some flower more over here. Neighbor.
This one you don't need because it's only 2006. So you just have to clean up, like hire someone to vacuum.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's go to the second floor.
Because when I get asthma,
Mm.
just go around the house.
This is the stairs going upstairs. It's a few stiff. Ito yung study room ng mga bata. Ayan. Tsaka may paglalagyan din ng mga books dyan. So ito yung study room. Tapos ito yung bedroom ng kids. Ayan. Wala pang bed. Hindi pa nakalipat. Kasi may inspector kami ngayon for getting ready for everything. Ito din yung pangalawang room ng mga bata. Ayan. May cabinet here for clothes. Ayan. This one. Close that na. And this is a laundry room. Open it. So that's a laundry room. We have dryer and washer. Okay. And this is a bathroom ng mga bata. Ng my kids. Let's see. See, this is the sink. This is the shower room. Go back to this hallway. This is hallway. This is from downstairs. This is the stairs. I'm going in here in this left side from the downstairs. And this is the hallway going towards to have some more cabinet over here so you can put something whatever you want to put over here. And this is going towards to the bedroom, our bedroom. Yay! This one. That's our bedroom. And goes over here. This is going to the tap. That one. And we have a two sink. May dalawang sink dito. Ayan, isa. Dito sa gilid, left side, right side, after tub. Ito na naman yung isa. Ayan, that's one. Tapos, and this side, ito yung shower room. Ito yung shower room. That one. Let's see. So that one. And this is the bathroom. Ayan. Yung bathroom walang sink sa ano. Kailangan mo lang lumabas dito. We have two sinks available in here. The one. Okay. And this is my favorite spot. It's a walk-in cabinet. So you can put the clothes everywhere here. Hang everywhere your clothes in here in that area. And they have more aside this side. So I love it. Walk-in cabinet. Okay, that's it.